Meanwhile, the suicide of a former managing director of Tata Finance has rocked the city of Mumbai. Dilip Sudhakar was found hanging in his office by his wife. Police found a suicide note in which he said that no one can be blamed for his death and that he was taking this extreme step because of legal troubles that he was facing. Fense has been fired from Tata Finance after he was found guilty of illegal activities like insider trading and banned for 2 years by SEBI. My colleague Devesh Singh joining us for more. Devesh, can you get us up to speed with this suicide?
Hello. Yeah, Preeti, see, Dilip Sudhakar Fense, he was a very senior top official who had once been the managing director of Tata Finance. He was booked, he was found guilty of trading illegally in stocks of one Himachal Futuristic Company Limited, Infosys Software Solutions Limited and few other companies. After which this led to his ouster from Tata Finance. Despite that, he was again found guilty of illegal trading in stocks, and that led to legal cases against him, which had been going on since a long time. He was based out of Dadar, a very prime locality in Mumbai, and he had his residence on the first floor, while he residence on the second floor and office on the first floor. On Wednesday, he went out to his office, and during lunch, when he did not return, his wife Pratibha tried calling him multiple times, but he did not answer the call. When Pratibha went to check on him, she found that he was hanging from the ceiling fan. She called up neighbors, she called up the police, and police finally brought him down. He was declared dead before admission. He had left a 7-line suicide note in which he clearly mentioned that no one has to be blamed for his act, for the extreme steps that he had taken to end his life. He was frustrated, he was depressed because of the legal cases that had been going on against him for more than a decade. And his last rites to be carried out in Pune, which was his native city. So this was his suicide note. As of now, foul play has been found. It seems like he himself ended his life. Police did carry out a post-mortem. The post-mortem report says asphyxia, which was due to hanging, that led to his death. And the time of death also matches with the time that he had been in the office and no one else was around. There's no post-entry, no struggle that has been found in the office. Other than by a son from his first wife, who is traveling from New Jersey to Mumbai so that his last rites could be carried out.
All right, Devesh, thank you for joining us. All right, reactions coming in from the police on this suicide. Listen in.
उनके ऑफिस में सुसाइड किया है, प्रथम दर्शनी सुसाइड किया है ऐसा लगता है। उनके बॉडी को पोस्टमार्टम के लिए सायन हॉस्पिटल में भेजा गया है। जैसे ही पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आएगा उसके बारे में आपको सविस्तर में बताया जाएगा।